Jawash Blog. My name is Ewase, and please, before I go on, I just want you guys to click on the subscribe button, like, share, let's hear your opinion, and also follow us across other social media platforms. Thank you. Okay, so I want to start with the Baba Edisha case. I know we've been dragging it, if you like, I beg this case. Nope. Our voices needs to be heard. And I like how they're going on and on about it, because right now it's getting into the ears of human rights. A lot of people are bringing their concerns. I mean, on a good day, something he could easily escape from, but from the look of things and how he's got into the ears of certain people, doesn't look like it. And his case has been charged to court, and he risks life imprisonment. That's a win. He'll be charged under the Lagos State Criminal Law of 2015 under Section 135, indecent treatment of a child, Section 137, defilement of a child, punishable by life imprisonment, Section 262, attempted sexual assault by penetration, and Section 263, sexual assault, punishable by 3 years imprisonment. I think it's a win-win for us. Because when this incident first happened, it seemed like he was going to get away with it. Mostly when the police came up saying it's a bailable offense. But right now you can see is something he has to stay in jail till the court hearing. He cannot. This isn't a joke. This is a child's life we're talking about. It isn't. So having it that it has escalated this far, thanks to social media, is getting the results we wanted. So up, I think us 1, then 0. Yomi, I think at this point Yomi should just go tender an apology to Princess, to Iyabo, to everybody he's dragged, trying to take sides with Baba Edisha. Because at this point, dude, you can see for yourself. I'm sure you've seen the video. But right now, I guess he's just trying to do gara-gara, initial gara-gara. But he knows in deep inside, he lost this one. He lost this one. I'm so glad that this case is taking this turn. I mean, oof, justice has to be served, and we need to take the issue of sexual assault more seriously now. Because as a female, you can't even walk freely in the market. You can't walk freely on the road. You can't walk freely anywhere without people trying to drag you. All these things, people say my color, my height, my this one. Yo, it needs to be talked about too. Because most times it leads people to touch you in certain places they're not supposed to touch you. It's been 15 days since the kidnap of students in Greenfield University, Kaduna. Unfortunately, 5 students have been killed, and they're threatening to kill 17 more if the ransom of 100 million naira and 10 motorcycles aren't paid. Now, one of the kidnapped students' mother talked about how they went to Gumi's house. He directed them to one Ahmed alongside a Fulani man. These parents were asked to contribute money, and they raised 800,000 naira. And when the money was handed to the Fulani man, he said it was just for transport, it wasn't enough. And when this mother was trying to explain to him that she is a widow and has nothing else left of her, he said he doesn't care.
And I just they do meeting, they do committee meeting, then carry us to Gumi's side and we do meeting. He said we could meet Ahmed, I forgot the name. They invite one free that they come and we gather money, almost 800,000. We'll give her. He said that one is a transport motor. And I started crying. He said me and be wisdom and don't have husband. I just dey train this boy to help me tomorrow. Please, he say that one no concern am.
Who be the person?
The person is a Fulani. They invite it come for one office for Kaduna there. We just dey try the beggar. He say no. He say until you pay so amount. He say we no have much. He say almost 500 million.
Initially, they asked, they were after the government paying that money, 500 million. So after, anytime they call, like me in particular, they kept calling me, Madam, Kijeki Magana the government, that I should go and talk to the government so that they will go and pay that money. So all I kept telling them was, I am a widow. I cannot have access to the government. Maybe if my husband were to be alive, maybe you know somebody who will help him to talk to the government. But I am a widow. I cannot have access to the government. So when they kept calling me for almost 2 weeks, I kept telling them the same thing. So at the end, they started calling that, okay, how much have you people gathered? I said, how much? Who are the people you are talking about? They said, the parents. I said, no. We are poor people. Most of us are widows, and even those that have their husbands and those that even have their wives, they cannot. They are petty. They are peasants. So they don't have any money to contribute. So he said, oh, you people, if government does not pay, I said, all we are trying to do is to see if the government can assist us. Okay, are you saying that if the government does not pay, you people will allow you to leave your children? Okay, we have already killed one. That was what he told.
Being a Nigerian, living in Nigeria is becoming a crime. And with the way things are going for the Greenfield students that were kidnapped in Kaduna, they're going to pay with their life. Because this mess of a government are not taking them seriously. Parents are marching down to National Assembly to demand for the release of their children. And Gume is talking about CBN paying 100 million naira for the ransom. Our leaders will blame everyone and everything for the insecurity in Nigeria except themselves. If we're looking at it from their point of view, they are doing nothing about it. Isn't it this government that allocated about 10.2 trillion naira to fight insecurity between 2015 and 2021? Isn't it? We're suffering from inflation, unemployment, insecurity by food, by life, by farm. We're suffering from poverty, electricity tariff, petrol price, transportation, a lot of things we're suffering from as Nigerians. The level of insecurity in this Buhari regime is very appalling. People are getting killed, people are getting kidnapped, Fulani headsmen are uncontrollable. Boko Haram, those ones are untouchable. They are untouchable. Cases of violence, tears, bloodshed, and tragedy every day. Now, NIGERIA has been taken over by bandits. The Nigerian army had to withdraw their soldiers and also shut down the barracks. Take a look at what's going on in Nigeria.
Mobile.
How do we go from here? Even the police in the southeast, they abandoned their stations, asking for redeployment due to insecurity. It is everywhere now. It is expanding. Nowhere is safe anymore. We've got bandits, we've got Boko Haram, we've got unknown gunmen. Nigeria is a nation on the brink. Thanks for watching. This is NAIJA Watch Blog and my name is Ewase. Please subscribe, like, share, and if you have your own opinion, please do share with us. Thank you for watching.
Hello Nigerians, hello ladies.
Hello my fans and the good people out there. Keep watching.
Keep watching it. What's up?
NAIJA Watch.
NIGERIAN Watch.